Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Oh, I need help with my surf shop. I know the person to call. Hello JoJo, can you come help me with my surf shop please? It's just so crowded and too tiny. Whoa, you're here already. That was fast. Can you please help me make a bigger surf shop? Yes, of course. What were you wanting? Well, my bed and couch is just too small to sleep on. Look at this. I got a half hang off the edge. Oh, well that won't do. Well, Nana Nora, we will start with your surf shop today. We got to start with the groundwork. Yay! This is the Surfer Beachfront set. And I've already rebuilt the ice cream shop if you remember that video. But today I will be rebuilding the surf shop. And in another video, Nana Nora will get her apartment. But today, it's surf shop rebuilding time. Okay, it's going to be built on a 16 by 16 base plate. And I have made it 10 studs deep. So a lot deeper than the original because it needs to be a little bit bigger, this surf shop. I felt it needed to be a little bit bigger so I can add some more things to sell inside, and that's the original door, and I love the sticker on that. I love how welcoming it is, and you know it's a surf shop. So here I'm just doing some window sills and with these beautiful teal coloured windows. Same on this side. And now just need to build up the walls here with some 1x4 plates. And here I'll be using the panel that came with the surf shop with that awesome sticker with a big wave. And here we have a sticker with a green camera that we'll be selling here. This side is built slightly differently as I'm using this panel here with this sticker of a little crab and a fan, and I will be making a shelf there and just build up this wall. And I've got a brick with a Technic pin in it because it's going to hold on to something. And here's another panel with some sunscreen and a beach bag. Just popping some studded tiles here because they're going to be holding on to something that Nana Nora's going to sell in her surf shop. So I'll spin this around because I need to put some bricks here with the studs facing the front because it will have an awning here at the front of the shop. Same as the original, just a bit longer. And now I'll just finish up the sides of the building here with the bricks just so I remember how I built it. And don't worry about that panel being wobbly because later it will be secured along the top. And I'll just finish this wall off with more bricks. I love this aqua colour. Here we go, awning time, same as the original. I've kept it the same except I have removed 2 of the slopey curved bricks because that's going to be room for a sign there. And I love the colour of the teal and the dark pink, just makes it pop. And this here is the holder for this sign. It's a surfboard with some beautiful flowers on there. Just an extra decoration for this awesome surf shop. And I'll just need to add some plates up here, there we are, to finish off the top. And I'll be smoothing it out with some jumper tiles and just some normal smooth tiles because I like removing the top floor so I can see the shop when I play. So now it's time to do the little greeting carpet at the front, and these dots tiles are so tricky to put on sometimes. They're so fiddly and little. Okay, managed to do that. So another studded tile here for the paddleboard, and I've popped a little stud there with a hole in it so the paddleboard can stand up. And here is a display stand with some drink bottles and flippers out front. And what else do I need? Oh, some bamboo type plants and lots of flowers. I'm just going to scatter these randomly out the front, just so it makes it look so pretty and inviting when you come in. Beautiful. Here's the surf shop sign that came with the original set. I thought I'd make it as a sign out the front. And now we got these grass green things going in, which I love. I can't get enough of these things. I'll pop one here. And no, I'll need to remove that sign because Nana Nora loves collecting shells, and she's got a little shell collection out the front here. And a shell here with a pearl inside. Oh, lucky Nana Nora. There we go, looking great. Sign back here, and my beautiful palm tree. I got a video of that if you want to watch how it's built. And what are we going to do now? Oh, Nana Nora, she can't wait. And oh, I forgot about the surfboard stand at the front. We're selling lots of surfboards in this shop, so let's chuck some out the front too. Yippee! Let's do the interior fit out. Turn around. Try and get my camera, here we go, so you can see a lot better. And let's start with adding some accessories, and we need some beach bags, nice colourful beach bags for sale here. And some more jumper plates because, well, it is a surf shop. We need more surfboards. And here's the stand with the surfboards and some paddles. We'll pop that over there. And what are we going to put here? We need sunscreen and life jackets. Need to sell lots of sunscreen here because Australian sun is very harsh. And I'm putting in a panel here and another panel with a little sign, $10 sign. Oh, it's for a set of snorkel goggles. Let's pop you over here. And another surfboard. We'll pop that on the wall there. Oh, we got lots of accessories to sell and some on a stand here. We got binoculars and more sunglasses. Time for the cash register. Exactly the same as the other shop, and I love how Lego have upgraded the cash register with a paywave. And I'm making another little stand here to put a torch in, because when you go to a surf shop or a sports shop, they sell torches and they sell postcards and little pamphlets. And over here we need to sell more sunglasses and more flippers. Fun in the sun. And green camera. I was advertising a green camera, so we need to put one in the shop to sell. Nana Nora, your shop's finished. Yippee, you can start selling some stuff. I'm going to take a look and see what I should buy, and I'll spin this stand around and ooh, something's caught my eye. And my cat's come in and he is going to check out these flippers. A cat needs flippers. And look at this. Oh, it's a windsurfer girl. Oh, that's windsurfer's about 30 years old. You need a new surfboard, Paradisa girl. What are you going to have a look at? Paradisa girl's bought the green surfboard and she's paddling away. Nana Nora didn't even get into a wetsuit. She was just too excited. And me and my cat are on the paddleboard. The Surfer Beachfront surf shop has had a bit of a renovation done, as it needed to be larger to fit some more accessories in, and Nana Nora is super duper excited to open up her new store. So I hope I've given you some ideas on what you can do with yours. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building and get creative. See ya!